Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Photon Academy. My name is Harshwats, and in today's video, we are going to discuss about removing background from picture in PowerPoint. So, this is the new feature that has been included in PowerPoint from 2017 onwards. Now, let's move forward and see how we can do that. And before going there, we will talk about the point to be discussed in today's video. So in today's video, I will tell you how to add photo in PowerPoint. After that, we will discuss about how to remove background of the photo which has a solid background. And by the end of the video, we are going to discuss about how to remove background of the photo which has a mixed background. So earlier we talked about solid background, after that mixed background. Now let's move forward and I will show you what is solid background and what is mixed background. So this is the solid background. That means the Microsoft is written in a white piece. Now while we are editing, I will show you how can we do that and how do you know this is a solid background. And we will move forward to the next image that has a mixed background. So this is the mixed background. Now let's make the changes in our images and remove the background. And how can we do that? For that we have to work in a Microsoft PowerPoint. Now let's go to the Microsoft PowerPoint. Now we are in Microsoft PowerPoint. So we have a solid background that has a white color. So this is a white color in which the image is been superimposed. Now I want to remove the background of this image. And how can I do that? There are two ways through which you can remove the background. In both the case, there is one option you have to know about picture format. So there is no ribbon as named as picture format. How can we see that option? Only when we click on the image. So when you click on the image, you will see the picture format option available for you. When I don't click on it, you will see it disappear. Again I will click on it, you will see a picture format. So when I click on it, you will see there are a lot of options that you can do with your image. Either you can do a correction, you can change a color of it, you can compress the image, artistic effect you can do, transparency you can do, change picture styles you can do. So these are the things that you can do with your image in Microsoft PowerPoint, and it do a hell of the work for the image correction. Now I will show you how to do the changes in your picture. So before going any further, I will again explain you about the mixed background. So earlier you will see like if I place this image, you will see there is a white background. So this is a white background. I will not see beneath what is written beside behind this image because the image is occupied by solid background. So I will go into the mixed background now. So now you will see this image that has a mixed background. So this background is not gradient, so not solid. So that's why it will require a different type of removing background option. Now I will combine both of them and will tell you how to do that. For the solid background, it is quite easy. You just have to click on the image. After that, go into the picture format. In a picture format, you will see a color option. Just click on the color option. In a color option, you will see set transparent color. Just click on it. After that, just click on the image. Now you will see there is a dotted line which is for the table that is just behind this. Now you can see that, but you have a little bit confusion. Now you can see that you can see both the images background also. So because I have just removed the background of the Microsoft, but if I do it with this which has a mixed background, it won't work. So I will again go in the color option, again set a transparent color. So when I click on it, you will see nothing happens because it is kind of difficult for the Microsoft PowerPoint to remove the background that has a mixed effect. So I have to use the different option. So which option I should go for? So there is an option called remove background in the picture format only. So you have to select your image after going to the picture format in a remove background option. So when I click on it, you will see there is a magenta color that has been covered in our image, but there are only two solid colors in our image, which is not right. So that means the magenta color which is appearing on your screen. So if you see on your image, so you can see the image has actually been removed because the only color selected by a removing background is this. I don't want to do this. Just undo this again. Just click on the remove background. Now you will see this again. So there is an option available, mark areas to keep, mark areas to remove. So I will tell you how to use this feature. Just click on mark areas as keep and just click on here. Now you will see it has selected the orange because where you clicked it checked the same type of things that are available nearby and it completely use that area for keeping. So if I click again on this, you will see it again checked the blue color. Now I want to save my M because Microsoft is also important for me. Just click on this and again click on this. You will see M has been selected. So again click on this. Just click on this. Click on this. C R R. You will see O. Now we will click on S. O again. Just F and T. So you can also do this. You can just so it will check for the things nearby. And again I want this. I want this. So now you can see your image has been selected and the areas you want to keep has been selected. And now if I click on keep changes, now you will see this is what image is appearing on our screen. Now you can see that the background has been removed. So now you will see if I place it in the upside of the Microsoft, you can see the image, but you can see the purple, the color has been left out. Again, you can just undo that. So now again, I will and again on this. Now keep change. Now you will see the complete Microsoft and this is how you remove the background for the mixed. And now you can easily use both of the images in and can place both in upside down or anything you can use for. Now you can see the images in the very good manner and the background has been removed from both of them. Now this is how you will use the best use of the remove background option in Microsoft PowerPoint, and you can do with this a multiple things. Like if you want to make the changes in your own image also, you can upload that image in the Microsoft PowerPoint, or you can insert by copy paste, or just directly you can drop the image in your PowerPoint and through various method, or either you can insert the image from here also. Pictures, you can insert this device stock images, online pictures also available options for you where you can insert the image. So this is how you will remove background in Microsoft PowerPoint. So with this point, I am going to end this video and I hope your queries have been cleared. And if not, kindly write us in comment section and we will surely get back to you. And if this video helped you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and good day.